How to verify your TikTok account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get verified on your TikTok account. Now, this is the getting blue tick verification on TikTok, so let's just get started. So the first step that you will need to take is open up your TikTok. Make sure that you're logged in into your account and then head over to the bottom right corner on your profile. After you're on your profile, for your verification, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on the three lines on the top right corner. After that, head over to settings and privacy. So there are a few things that you will need to know before you apply for verification is that there can be a few prerequisites for you to be able to consider the verification or you to be able to get the verification. Now, not all accounts will get verified, and yeah, TikTok will just choose the most unique, authentic and notable accounts to verify. So make sure that your account is active, authentic, notable and unique. And other than that, there are also few of the others requirement for your verification to be eligible for the verification. So you might not even get the verification option here sometimes. So what you'll need to do is first you will need to head over to settings and privacy like this. Tap on the account. You'll see account on the top, and after you're on the account, right here you should find verification. Now that is, if you're eligible for the verification, you will get the verification option. After you get the verification, all you have to do is tap on the start button and follow the steps to submit a verification request. Now you can submit as a business account. If you're a business account, you can only apply for a business verification, and if you're registered as a personal account, you can only apply for personal verification. So yeah, from here you can simply verify. If you're eligible, you'll get the option, and yeah, that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.